Hi students. In this session, I'm going to give you hints to the today's NEET 2021 question paper. Let's see the question number 51. First question in chemistry. Right option for the number of tetrahedral and octahedral voids in hexagonal primitive unit cell are. I'm going to give you hints in this session. Hexagonal unit cell contains a 6 effective number of atoms. So tetrahedral voids are double the number of atoms, that is 2 into 6 is 12. And octahedral voids are exactly same number of atoms, that is 6. So option 12, 6 is your correct answer. First option is the correct. Fourth option is the correct answer. Zirconium and hafnium have similar atomic radii because both exhibits lanthanide contraction. Option 3 is your correct answer. They have given for a reaction A to B, enthalpy of reaction is minus 4.2 kilojoule. Minus sign is given. It indicates that it is an exothermic reaction, and activation energy is given 9.6. They're asking us the correct potential energy profile for the reaction is shown in options. So see here, they given in the question hint that it is an exothermic reaction. For exothermic reactions, if you observe the diagram, reactants has more energy and products has a less energy as per the graph, which means they release some amount of energy. That's why they release the amount of energy. In all the given 4 graphs, if you observe, product is having less energy than the reactant. That is second option. I'm going to give you just hints. Question number 54. Tritium, a radioactive isotope of hydrogen, emits which of the following particles? It emits the beta particles because hydrogen, helium, tritium, it is an isotope which emits the helium particles. Along with that, it gives the beta particles, which are electrons. Option 1 is the correct answer. Question number 55. The RBC deficiency is deficiency disease of vitamin B12, that is called cyanocobalamin. And question number 56, if you observe, they are asking the molar conductance of acetic acid. Molar conductance of acetic acid is equal to, you can see acetate ion, sodium acetate you take, sodium acetate plus you want it gives acetate, and hydrogen you want HCl minus molar conductivity at infinite dilution of NaCl. Just add it, 91 plus 426.16 minus 126.45, you will be getting around 390.71. To make it in a short time, I'm doing little bit fast here. The correct structure of 2,6 dimethyl decfluorine, you give just numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. It is having fourth position ene, and second position methyl, and 5, 6, sixth position methyl. Total 10 carbons. Option 1 is the correct answer. The maximum temperature that can be achieved in blast furnace is, you can see the temperature, it is given directly from the NCERT. Max temperature is 2170 Kelvin around. So up to 2200 Kelvin is the correct answer. Identify the compound that will react with Hinsberg's reagent to give a solid which dissolves in alkali. Actually, if you see the Hinsberg's reagent, this is our Hinsberg reagent. If you add a primary amine, RNH2, then one H and one Cl goes out as a HCl, we will be getting a product like this. That product is having an acidic hydrogen. Actually, the hydrogen which is present here is an acidic hydrogen. Why it is an acidic hydrogen? Because it is connected to more electronegative atom. Due to this acidic hydrogen, it is soluble in the bases. So option 3 is the correct answer because it is a primary amine. See the next question. They have given 10 gram of glucose in 250 ml water, and 10 gram urea in 250 ml water, and 10 gram of sucrose in 250 ml. And they're asking the osmotic pressure ratio. We all know that pi is equal to ICRT is the formula. So pi is directly proportional to concentration, which is nothing but weight by molecular weight. So you can say here molecular weight increases, osmotic pressure decreases. If you observe glucose, urea, and sucrose is having more molecular weight, so less osmotic pressure. P3 is less, and urea is having a less molecular weight, so more osmotic pressure. And then glucose, so P2 greater than P1 greater than P3, Next, see the next question. Question number 61. HBr and peroxide is given in the arrow. So you can see, based on this, you can say it is an anti-Markovnikov's rule, anti-Markovnikov's rule, according to anti-Markovnikov's rule, negative part of the species goes and attack to the carbon having more number of hydrogens, and hydrogen goes and attack here. So you'll be getting an first option is your answer. See the next question number 62. Aspirin and paracetamol belongs to the class of narcotic analgesics. It is a wrong statement because it is a non-narcotic. And coming to the statement number 2, morphine and heroin are non-narcotic. It is a wrong statement because it is a narcotic analgesics. Both the statements are false statements. Here just I am going to show you the solution hint. That's it. So correct answer to question number 62 is option 2. Both are wrong options. This is a non-narcotic and this is narcotic. Question number 63. The correct sequence of bond enthalpy of CX bond is carbon and fluorine. If you observe, CF is a strong bond because fluorine is more electronegative. It holds the electrons tightly than chlorine bond, then bromine, and then iodine. Option 2 is the correct answer. Strong bond is a CF bond and weak bond is a Ci bond. Coming to the BF3, BF3 is 1, 2, 3 and sp2 hybridization, and the number of electrons around the boron here is a 6. Option 3 is the correct answer. Question number 65. Which one among the following is the correct option between Cp and Cv? Cp minus Cv is equal to R is actually Nr. For 1 mole it is 1 R. Option 2 is the correct answer. Among the following alkaline earth metal halides, if you observe, beryllium chloride is an covalent and it is soluble in organic solvents like alcohol and all. Option 4 is the correct answer. And here carbon percentage is given 78% and remaining is hydrogen, that is 22%. How can you solve in a simplest way is 78 divided by its molecular weight. Hydrogen is weight is 22 divided by molecular weight is 1. You will be getting around 6.5 and here 22. Both are in around 1:3 ratio, not exactly. So CH3 is our correct answer. And the major product formed in dehydrohallucination of 2-bromopentane. Actually, if you see 2-bromopentane, there are two possibilities of dehallucination. You can remove this hydrogen and this Br, or this hydrogen, this Br. One pentene, if it forms, means that is Hoffman's rule. If one H here, one Br here goes out, then it is 2-pentene is your answer, means it is an Sage's rule. It is following Sage's rule. More substituted alkene is more stable. Coming to the question number 69. What is the IUPAC name of the organic compound formed in the following chemical reaction? Just take acetone. Acetone you take and add an Grignard reagent C2H5MgBr. Then it will go and attack this R part, goes and attack the carbon and 2 electron shifts here, and later on hydrolysis. Finally, you will be getting CH3OH, CH3 here, C2H5. So if you start numbering from here, total 4, 2-methyl butane 2-ol is your answer. Option 4 is the correct answer. Noble gases are named because their inertness towards the reactivity. Identify an incorrect statement about them. Noble gases are sparingly soluble. Yes, they are not soluble. They are least soluble. Correct statement. Noble gases have very high melting. No, noble gases have very weak force of attractions between them. And because of this weak force of attraction, they have low melting and boiling point. This is an incorrect statement. Option 2 is the correct answer. Coming to the question number 71. The pKb of dimethylamine and pK of acetic acid are given and they're asking pH. Both are in weak acid and weak bases. For weak acid and weak bases, the formula is 7 plus half into pKa minus pKb is our formula. So 7 plus half into pKa value is 4.77 minus 3.27. Upon solving this, we will be getting 7.75. Option 3 is the correct answer. The right option for the statement, Tyndall effect is exhibited by NaCl, glucose and urea solution. These are true solutions. Star solution is a colloidal solution which shows the Tyndall effect. Question number 73, HF, HCl, HBr, HI. If you observe this is a correct acidic strength because as electronegativity increases top to bottom, the size of the central atom increases so that the bond is a weak and it gives H plus ions very easily. So this is an correct statement. statement and S size, whatever explanation I told, this is also correct. Both are correct. So option 1, both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. And coming to the EDTA, if you observe the structure of ethylene diamine, this is an ethylene diamine. Here 2 hydrogens is replaced by actually acetate ions like this. If you see the structure of EDTA, this is the structure of EDTA. In EDTA structure, there are 4 oxygens which acts as a donors here. 4 oxygens acts as a donor, 1, 2, and 3, 4. These 4 are donors and 2 nitrogens are donor. Hexadentate ligand total, because 6 donors with 4 oxygens and 2 nitrogens as a donor atoms. Coming to the question number 75, choose the correct option for the graphical representation of Boyle's law, which shows a graph of pressure versus volume of a gas at different temperatures. If you observe the pressure, just take a constant. For example, draw a line like this, and volume is constant. Now just relate this here. This is a P1, this is a P2, this is a P3. We know PV is equal to nRT. Here pressure is directly proportional to the temperature. As pressure is more, temperature is also more. So here pressure more, temperature should be more, but here it is given less temperature. So as per the given options, this is the correct one, because here temperature is more. Option 4 is the correct answer. I'm going a little more fast. Here my intention is to tell you the answers. Okay, key I'm going to give you with a little hint as an explanation to cover 50 questions in a short duration. See the next question, question number 76. The structure of beryllium chloride in solid state and vapor phase. In a solid state, it is having a polymeric form. BeCl2 is present in a polymer form and polymeric chain form, and in a vapor phase, it is present in a dimeric state. So option 1 is our correct answer. Coming to the question number 77, which of the following methods can be used to obtain highly pure metal, which is a liquid at room temperature? This is a hint. Which is a liquid, only one metal which is a liquid at room temperature, that is a mercury. We can obtain a mercury in a pure state by using a process called purification method called distillation. Option 3. The compound which shows a metamerism from 4 carbons onwards, you can see here diethyl ether is one of the metamer, and another metamer is CH3 methyl ethyl, methyl propyl ether also. This is also one of the metamer. 2 are possible for this. Option 4 is the correct answer. The correct option for the number of cubic centered unit cell in all 4 types of Breves unit cells are, if you observe, in a cubic we have a BCC, in tetragonal we have a BCC, in orthorhombic also we have a BCC. So total there are 3 unit cells which are having a BCC. So option 4 is the correct answer. Coming to the question number 80, which of the following polymers is prepared by addition polymerization? If you observe here, Teflon is having CF2, CF2 tetrafluoroethene, which upon polymerization, we will be getting what? CF2, which is an addition polymer. Remaining all are condensation polymers. Question number 81, at a particular station of all India ratio, if you read this question, here frequency is given 1368 kilohertz, means into 10 power of 3 hertz. Hertz is also known as per seconds, means frequency number of waves are passing per second. Second inverse, hertz we can also write it as second inverse. I converted kilohertz into hertz. And C value is given in question, that is 3 into 10 power of 8 meter per second. And we all know nu is equal to C by lambda, then lambda is equal to C by nu, then your answer is 3 into 10 power of 8 by 1368 into 10 power of 3. This upon solving, we will be getting around 219.3 upon round it off. Okay, so option 1 is the correct answer. Question number 82. Which of the following reactions is a metal displacement reaction? Option 2, because aluminum is more reactive than the chromium, it displaces and we get this reaction. The incorrect statement among the following is actinide's contraction is greater for element to element than lanthanide. Yes, it is a correct statement, because 5F, in an actinide shows a more contraction. I mean, when compared to the 4F in lanthanides, most of the trivalent lanthanides are colored, not colorless, are colored, depending upon upon the number of unpaired electrons. So this is an incorrect statement. Whatever they're asking, option 2 is the correct answer. Dihedral angle of least stable conformer of ethane is ethane. If you observe the dihedral angle in least conformer, that is eclipsed from 0 is the angle between them. And PCl5, the structure is trigonal bipyramidal. SF6 is octahedral. BRF5 is square pyramidal. BF3 is trigonal planar. So your correct answer is, first one is 4, and then SF6 is 3, BRF5 square pyramidal 4, and then 3, and then 1, and then 2. Option 1 is your correct answer. Question number 86. This is sodium acetate. Upon heating, you are getting alkane and Na2CO3, means you're removing CO2. You are doing a decarboxylation reaction. So soda lime is required. That is NaOH plus CaO is an reagent. Here CaO is missing. The intermediate compound X in the following reaction is, you are treating, this is an Itart's reaction, you are treating with chromyl chloride. So you will be getting here between 2 hydrogens, this group is introduced. So this is option 1 is your answer. And SO2 plus O2, this is an tropospheric pollution reaction, and you can see here CaCO3 plus H2SO4. This is an acid rain reaction, because whenever acid rain falls, that Taj Mahal, which is having a marble which reacts. Based upon these two, easily you can find it out. A is having, A is 4, correct, and C is 1, and B is HOCl HNu. This is an ozone depletion 3, and NO2 upon falling a light, NO and O2, this is a smog. So option 3 is your correct answer. And the next one is 89. This is an CO and HCl. By seeing the reagent, you can find a Getterman reaction, and this is an haloform reaction and esterification and HVZ reaction directly. So you can find it out. First one is 2. Yes, next one is 3 and 4, and then 1, right? So option 4 is the correct answer. FeCN6 3 minus, it in this ion is in +3, and here also ion is in +3, and here ion is in +2, and here ion is in +2, but it is in strong field again. So D5 configuration with a strong field means 1 unpaired electron. So fourth option is the correct answer. D5 with a weak means 5 unpaired electrons. So 1 is option. And here +2 with a strong unpaired means D6, and 3 unpaired, no unpaired electrons. So 2 is the correct answer. And D5 with D6 with unpaired means weak ligand. It is having D6, 2 unpaired electrons, right? D6 will be having 4 unpaired electrons. So 3. Then you can 4, 1, and then 2, and last is 3. Option 4 is correct answer. Next one, the reagent are in the given sequence of chemical reactions. You are removing here. To remove this, you can use alcohol. Option 2 is the correct answer. And coming to the question number 92, the product formed in the chemical reaction is, whenever you are using sodium borohydride in alcohol, sodium borohydride function is just it break a bond. Only ester it can't react. Only lithium aluminum hydride can reduce ester, not sodium borohydride. And whereas keto group can be reduced by this. So only double bond O can be affected, whereas esters remain as it is. Only double bond will be undergo reduction. 1 H here, 1 H here will be attacked, and your product is fourth option. From the following pair of ions, which one is not an isoelectronic pair? 8 plus 2, 9 plus 1 isoelectronic, 11 minus 1 and 12 minus 2, that is isoelectronic, 25 minus 2, 23, 26 minus 3, 23, correct isoelectronic, 26 minus 2, 24, and 25 minus 2, 23, both are not isoelectronic. Option 4 is not an isoelectronic species. And coming to the molar conductivity of here, they given a concentration and molar conductivity is given, degree of dissociation, I mean dissociation constant Ka is equal to C alpha square by 1 minus alpha, and here you need to find alpha, that is molar conductivity by molar conductivity at infinite dilution. Molar conductivity is 20, at infinite dilution is 350 plus 50 is 400, that is 1 by 20. So when compared to the 1 by 20 is a less value, you can neglect it. And concentration is given 0.007 into alpha value is 1 by 20 whole square. This upon solving will be getting 1.7 into 10 power of minus 5 mole per liter. Option 3 is the correct answer. Question number 95. Choose the correct option for the total pressure. They're asking P total. P total is equal to PV is equal to nRT. So nRT by V, you need to find the total number of moles, that is 4 by 32, 4 by 32 plus 2 by 2. This is total number of moles, and R value is 0.0821 into temperature is 273 divided by total volume is 1 liter. This upon solving you will be getting around 25.18. Option 3 is the correct answer. Next question is they're asking us the correct option for the value of vapor pressure of a solution. Vapor pressure P total they're asking, formula is P total is equal to PA naught XA plus PB naught XB is the formula, and PA naught is given in a question for a benzene, that is 280. Mole fraction is number of moles of benzene by total number of moles, that is number of moles of a benzene is a 3 divided by 3 plus 2 is a 5 plus 420 into number of moles is 2 divided by total number of moles is 5. This upon solving we will be getting 336 mm of Hg. Next question 97. For irreversible expansion of an ideal gas under isothermal condition, the correct option is for an isothermal condition, whereas temperature is 0, then the change, whenever there is no change in temperature, there is no change in internal energy. Delta U is equal to 0, and entropy, total entropy is always changes, it's greater than 0, which means not equal to 0. Option 3 is the correct answer. Which of the following molecule is non-polar in nature? If you observe the SbCl5, its a structure is trigonal bipyramidal geometry. Here both are in opposite direction, so both pulls away from each other, and all these are in different directions with 120-degree angle. These three, and these two are in opposite direction, so it is a non-polar even though electronegative atoms are present. Option 3 correct answer. Question number 99. In which of the following arrangements the given sequence is not strictly according to the properties indicated against it? HF, HCl, HBr, HI, if you observe, acidic strength increases because the bond is a weak bond here. This is a correct statement. H2O, H2S, H2SC, yes, this is an electronegativity increases top to down. So the bond here is a weaker bond and H plus gives easily, and so that acidic character increases. So Ka value is more, so that pK value is low. But here they give an increasing pK value, so this is a wrong statement. They're asking a not strictly following, so option 2 is our correct answer. Coming to the last question, the slope of Arrhenius plot of first order reaction is given. The value of EA of the reaction is, Arrhenius equation is K is equal to A into e to the power of minus EA by RT is our formula. Apply natural logarithm on both the sides, then ln of K is equal to ln of A minus EA by RT. And here this is equal to y is equal to mx plus c is our relate with the straight line equation. On y-axis you take ln of k, and x-axis you take 1 by t. Then you will be getting intercept ln of a, and slope is equal to minus ea by r. And in a slope value is given in a question, that is minus 5 into slope value is given minus 5 into 10 power of 3, which is equal to minus EA by R value. R value is given 8.314, which is equal to minus will be cancelled here. Then you will be getting EA EA is equal to, just multiply 5 into 10 power of 3 into 8 into 3.14. Just solve this one. You will be getting around 41.5 into 10 power of 3 kilojoule. I mean joules you will be getting, then convert into kilojoule, that is 41.5 kilojoule is your answer. Option 1 is your correct answer. These are the hints and the key of today's examination, NEET 2021 chemistry question paper solution. Thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Komali. I'm your chemistry mentor.